Wait, why did you guys release the update with a unfinished station? Industry place. All right, so I'm reading what Brian is chatting, and I also have this recorded on phone. So, and transport to alt says no.
Why did they ban me?
I mean, it's good. Industry place is supposed to be one platform. No, it's not. It's supposed to be two. Oh, but why?
Oh, but why?
It's one way. No, it's not. Cause why? Cause why? It's real. What is it? What do you mean it's realistic? How is it realistic? Since when did it? Sir. Okay, transport says sir. It's Central Park West. Yeah, but it's two levels though.
My dude, there's like two platforms.
There's two levels, idiot. There's two levels, fucking idiot.
This is the red line.
On what line? On what lines? Go Google your facts. I want you to learn something better about the 8th Avenue lines. Bro, it's like people never learn about 8th Avenue. Bro, 8th Avenue.
On his job. Ask him why they banned me in the show. Like, come on.
How do you derail?
Yeah, ask them why they banned us. Why did you ban? Why did my friends get banned? If he gets banned, if Brian gets banned, this is a literal bargain.
Explain how you derail it, Charles.
They're telling me they have an opinion and got banned, but I have no idea why. No.
No.
All he just says is no. Watch, he's probably gonna ban you too. They got banned because of a group they're with. But I left. Wait, I left though. I left. We both. What? I'm just gonna. Then how did we play the game? Oh my god.
Oh shit.
He got banned. He got banned. Oh my god. Okay, Blocks, try this now. Fuck shit, fuck shit, shit, fuck shit, fuck you, bitch. Don't mind me, just mandatory cursing so then the comments stay open. And this video doesn't get flagged for tryouts.